For high-volume millwork shops, the biggest bottleneck is often balancing the need for rapid turnaround with the requirement for absolute technical precision. Dealing with increasingly complex specifications often creates difficult manufacturing hurdles. Without the right drafting solutions, these challenges lead to costly errors, excessive material waste, and the constant pressure of tight project timelines. At TrueCADD, we offer comprehensive millwork drafting services to convert your conceptual millwork designs into precise, production-ready documentation. Our millwork drafting services include detailed 2D CAD submittal drawings, as well as assembly, installation, and part drawings. We provide CNC production-ready files, bills of materials with NC and DXF files, handling redline markups, and precise material estimations. Our process ensures stakeholder communication, bridging the architect's vision with manufacturing requirements through standardized specifications, eliminating discrepancies, and providing clear field installation guidelines, supported by organized revision control systems to reduce on-site modifications and installation problems. Our team leverages advanced technology and software, including AutoCAD, Autodesk Inventor, and specialized millwork tools like CabinetVision, 2020 Design, Microvellum, and Swood to deliver comprehensive millwork drafting solutions. We adhere to AWI, NKBA, and NFC standards through rigorous quality checks comparing input and output drawings. This standardization minimizes errors, ensures consistency, facilitates stakeholder communication, and guarantees quality, manufacturable documentation. We are experienced in drafting services for a diverse range of custom millwork products, including luxury kitchen cabinets, office furniture, and display units. Our expertise also covers custom shelving, as well as architectural doors and windows. We collaborate with custom millwork companies, woodworking shops, cabinet makers, furniture manufacturers, interior designers, and architectural firms. Our services span across multiple sectors, including retail, residential, commercial, hospitality, and educational institutions. Choose TrueCADD for end-to-end millwork drafting solutions, industry-specific expertise, and tailored services. We offer fast turnaround, client-centric support, and rigorous quality checks, all at cost-effective rates to maximize the value of your investment. TrueCADD delivers global millwork drafting expertise with local standards understanding. Partner with us today to transform your millwork vision into reality.